Hello everyone, how are you all? This is your educator G. Vijaya Manorama. So today we are going to discuss class 10th case study based questions from the chapter light reflection and refraction. Today I am with 5 passages. Okay, down in the description box you will find all the PDFs and all the links in the form of playlist. All the chapters were given. This is the channel for class 10th and 11th class. Okay, so you can 11th class bio and class 10th complete science. Okay, so subscribe my channel. In the podcast, Anchor podcast, you can find my podcast also, Vijaya Ma'am's podcast. Okay, so नीचे description box में टेलीग्राम का भी लिंक दिया गया है. You can join through that also and you can ask your doubts regarding 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Any doubts you can ask. Okay, I am there to help you. Okay, chalo, let us start. So today the chapter is light reflection and refraction. I am here with only 5 passages. So within no time we can finish it off, right? So first passage, the bending of light as it passes from one transparent medium to another is called refraction. Here the diagram you can see. Place a pencil in an inclined position in a glass trough and fill 3/4 of the trough with water. So the first question is here, the position of the portion of the pencil under water has changed. True or false? It has changed obviously, so it is true. What shall be the reason for the change in the position of the pencil under water? If the light, this is the polished surface. If the light ray is touching it, it will reflect back. Whereas when the light ray is passing through a transparent medium, the speed of the light changes and it will bend towards the normal. So this is the rarer medium and this is the denser medium. So here water is the denser medium and air is the rarer medium. What shall be the reason the change in the position of the pencil takes place? Due to the refraction. What is taking place here? Refraction, right? Chalo. Does the ray of light coming after reflection from the pencil undergo a deviation? Yes, it will go for a deviation. What is the reason for the ray of light coming after reflection from the pencil undergo deviation? The options are when light travels from air to air, it deviates. Water to air, it is deviating. Or when light is traveling from water to oil, it is deviating. Okay, none of this. What is the reason for the ray of light coming after reflection from the pencil undergo deviation? Here the light ray is traveling from water to air. That's why also it is deviating. If the light is passing from air to water, it will bend towards the normal. Again, if we retrace the same path, the ray of light when it is passing from water to air, it will move away from the normal. Here also the deviation and next also deviation. So 2 times it is deviating. If the light ray is passing from rarer medium to denser medium or denser medium to rarer medium. Okay. Is there any change likely to occur if kerosene is used instead of water? Due to the density, optical density, it differs comparative to water and kerosene. Pencil appears to be bent more. Next passage. Fill 3/4 of a transparent vessel with water as shown in the figure. Vessel. Add 1 or 2 drops of milk into it. Fill the portion of the vessel above water with smoke. Okay. Close the vessel using a OHP glass sheet. Allow a light from a laser torch to pass through water as shown. Stay true or false. The light ray below the water undergo deviation at the surface of the water. True. What happens to the path of the light? Path of the light does not deviate, undergoes deviation. As the refraction is taking place, it undergoes the deviation. Where does the deviation of the ray takes place? Options were at the point on the surface where the OHP sheet is placed, or the surface which is separating both the medias, or at the bottom of the vessel, or none of this. It is the point through which the deviation is taking place. This is the light ray which is entering. It is the point from where the deviation is started. Okay. So why does the ray of light undergo a deviation? the difference in speed of light rays in different media. Okay, the difference in the speed of the light in the different media. Just now we have discussed water and kerosene, where it is more. Kerosene and water, the density is different. Optical density is different. That's why the speed of the light also it differs. Does light passes through all the media at the same speed? No. It won't passes with the same speed. Okay. Third passage. Your eyes need to bend the light rays so the image can be focused sharply on your eyes need to bend light rays so that the image can be focused sharply on your. So here the better your retina records the image, the more likely. 1 minute. Right? Okay, so your eyes need to bend light rays so the image can be focused sharply on your retina. The better your retina records the image, the more likely that your brain will interpret the image, and the more likely you will see the image clearly. If a person has vision trouble, glasses or contact lenses are used. They bend the light rays in a way that lets you see more clearly. True or false? Bifocals use a convex lens to bend light to make things look bigger. Okay, so it is true. Bifocals use a convex lens to bend light to make things look bigger. Okay, next. Why does the light ray bends when a glass or contact lenses are used for the person who is having vision trouble? Due to refraction. Light from the sun falling on a convex lens will converge at a point that is called as focus. Power of convex lens is positive and the concave lens is negative. The image formed by a convex lens can be virtual and magnified. Fourth passage, looking through a glass jar will make an object look smaller and slightly lifted. If a slab of glass is placed over a document or a piece of paper, then the words will look closer to the surface. Why the words are closer to the surface of a glass? Because of the different angles the light is bending. Different angles the light is bending. It is different. Okay, observe the figure. What is the reason? Due to the refraction. Due to the refraction. Okay. Next, when a light ray enters a glass slab, it enters from air to glass. Which is the denser medium? Obviously, glass is the denser medium. When a light rays travel from rarer to denser medium, the ray of light moves towards the. As the light rays travel from rarer to denser medium, it moves towards the normal, right? What is the absolute refractive index of glass? It is 1.5. Okay, next passage. 5 passages only today I have taken. So the air is in the atmosphere isn't all the small. Some areas are thicker and some areas are thinner. Therefore, when you go out at night and look at the stars, they appear to twinkle. The optical phenomena, twinkling of stars, is due to atmospheric refraction. The light coming from stars, when enters the Earth's atmosphere, it experiences increase in density, so the ray of light bends towards the normal. The refracting surfaces obeys the laws of reflection. The light of the star, which travels through the many layers of Earth's atmosphere, is bent many times and in random direction. This is true. The deviation of light ray from its path when it travels from one transparent medium to another transparent medium is called as refraction. Okay. So with this I am ending the session. Only 5 passages I have taken. So if you want any type of questions and all, just message me in the Telegram. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. If you want me to do the numericals as one session, I am going to do that. So any doubts, anything, you can ask me. So share with your friends. It is just a 10 to 15 minutes of task. You can just watch the videos and you can learn. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care all of you. Be strong, be confident. All the best.